more customer buy-in. Once the dealer has got the money roughly into a neat pile, if the banknotes are bent at all, they need to be placed on the hopper with the bend up. The money is now ready to be counted, and we can see on the screen ready to count notes inserted, and the count arrow is illuminated. Now the dealer would merely press the green button and the banknotes are counted. You can see we have the values indicated on the note counter screen and on the LCD screen, and we have accept and cancel. The customer also has a value directed towards them, and the second display will also be showing the value to the pit boss or to any other staff who may require to see that. Once we're happy, at this point the chips would be given out, the customer had finished, and then we would press accept. And the machine takes the money and carries out an automatic deposit. Sometimes poor quality notes won't go through the machine, and so when that happens, the rejected note will come out in the same place. The red light will come on and the machine beeps. All that needs to happen is the note to be unfolded, replaced on the hopper, and the green button pressed again, and the count will be completed. The machine is capable of counting up to 200 banknotes at a time, and so anytime it goes over this value, you can see at this point we've got 115 banknotes in here. It will go into what we call batch mode. All that happens, the dealer presses accept, the money is withdrawn from the machine, replaced on the hopper, and now when you press count a second time, the machine breaks the amount down into stacks of 50 and deposits 50 banknotes at a time. This means that for a 200 banknote deposit, it will take approximately a minute to run through. The machine returns automatically to collect each group of 50 banknotes. The dealer doesn't have to be ready for this. The dealer doesn't need to press the buttons any longer. And now it'll return for its third and final batch. Now it's completed its batch mode. You can see the little chevron that's appeared now in the corner. This shows a rough indication of how many banknotes are in the stacker. Our stacker will hold 1,750 banknotes and will give a visual indication by use of flashing lights when it reaches 1,650 banknotes, but also the chevrons will increase across the bottom of the screen, and usually if it reaches to about the S, then we're starting to reach the 1650 mark.